Winter in the villages is not gentle. It does not arrive quietly. It comes with biting winds, frozen mornings, and endless nights that test both people and animals. As temperatures drop, feeding livestock becomes a daily battle. Green grass disappears from the fields, stored fodder runs low, and farmers are forced to ration every bundle of straw. Animals that once roamed freely are now tied close to shelters, protected from the wind, but even shelter cannot fully defeat the cold. Day by day, their bodies begin to shrink. Bones show through thinning skin, energy fades. Their resting areas grow muddy and damp, forcing villagers to clean again and again to stop disease from spreading. A single careless night can mean sickness, infection, or loss. Sheep and goats suffer first. Their small frames tremble against the freezing air, struggling to stay warm. Calves weaken quickly. Even large cattle, buffaloes and bulls known for strength, move slower, breathe heavier, and eat less as winter tightens its grip. Every sunrise brings the same silent question. Will the feed last today? Will these animals make it through another freezing night? For rural families, livestock is not just property. It is livelihood, survival, and hope for the next season. Each animal lost means months of hard work gone. That is why winter becomes a season of constant care, rebuilding shelters, laying dry bedding, collecting whatever fodder remains, and standing guard against the cold. This is village life in its rawest form. No shortcuts, no comfort zones, only resilience, patience, and the will to endure. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more authentic stories from village life.